It was my principle that every day I must add something to what I had done last semester. And it continued. I would never repeat whatever I had done last time. And my question papers always had design. Always. And design would be such in which some information related to your height, your weight, your something to do with that, your home address or number of your roll number would be there so that the answers will never match. My interest is not the curriculum. When I teach, I do not teach only the curriculum. Curriculum is one aspect of it. I have to take care of many other aspects which do require a lot of inputs. I used to attend a lot of tutorials on the internet. Before going and teaching something practical or numerical, I would always go through the tutorials, experiment myself. So that's the way I had worked, and I really enjoyed working it. Really enjoyed. I'll be too happy if you ask me a question which I cannot answer. That will ensure that I work. The day you come and tell me, sir, my salary is more than you, I'll be very happy. The teachers need to be aware of what is happening, what are the latest requirements. They should be preparing themselves for the students' benefit. And as far as the students are concerned, their questioning should be very, very clear. They should ask as many questions as they wish of the teacher. And as a teacher, the teacher has the responsibility of responding. Students need to ask questions, pertinent questions, to satisfy their requirement, knowledge requirements. That's very, very important. And another thing, students need to be very sincere in learning.
Actually, not journey with you people, it is journey with PEC. It was journey with Aero.
Yes, sir.
I did my, after degree from here, I did MTech and PhD from IIT Kanpur. Okay. I had the opportunity of working with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who was the project director of SLV3. For that matter, I can say that I am the only person on earth having worked with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and having taught Kalpana Chawla. This is a unique distinction which I have. Working with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and having taught Kalpana Chawla. Nobody else has this distinction. Actually, the next day itself, I joined as a principal in a private college. Of course, the change was from a government institute to private institute. But then, not much difference for me, except for that I disciplined the office, disciplined the students, and also the teachers. Yeah. It was really enjoyable, and I relished that. I have many. Actually, for whole of my life, I have taught airplane stability control, airplane design, aerodynamics, all hardcore of aeronautics I have taught. And there are, in the initial days itself, I find something that is number one, that teaching aerodynamics, I used to tell them that, see, learning aerodynamics is like viewing a picture, movie, Indian movie, in which lift is the hero, pitching movements to the heroine is essential villain of this film. That I used to tell the students that, well, you ask me any question. You ask me a question regarding the subject anytime in the class, but come fully prepared for it. And then I used to say that, see, just think that you are bowler and I am batsman. Okay? So you vary the speed, you vary the swing, you vary spin, whatever you do. I will give you a simple return catch. I will not hit a 4. I will not hit a 6. I will not deflect it to the leg side or the onside. I will give you a simple return catch so that you can enjoy it. and I have done it. I used to say, look, eye to eye, ask the question. What was the significance of eye to eye? So that you understand the question. The first thing is that you should understand the question itself. Then only you can understand what is the answer to it. Enjoyed working with my students, and those were very precious moments. Whenever I go back to those days or moments, I enjoy. I set up this EFD lab. Number one, your life is yours. Okay? And you are your own masters. You are your own slaves. You are your own friends. So never in life say that you didn't study this or your teacher didn't teach it. You have to learn all by yourself, because your life is yours. You have to face selections everywhere. When I joined a private college as principal, I was teaching, I was head of mechanical also along with. There I taught strength of materials. One day after the institute hours, I was coming out, and the founder chairman, father of that current, that then chairman, he met me and he said, looks that you are tired. Whole day working, you get tired. I go, no, sir. A good lecture puts in more energy rather than tiring. Oh, that man himself had been a very distinguished teacher in his own days. He gave me a solid hug. He said, yes, first time I have seen somebody saying that you don't get tired after a lecture. I used to take 2 hours class, and at times I have taken 5 hours continuous class. I was never tired of teaching. I wish to be on the blackboard once again. My students, they ring me up on Teachers' Day or wish me, or on certain occasions when they talk to me, I feel thrilled. I feel so glad. I am thankful to God that I was given that mental ability, and that ability, mental ability is a must for teaching. Desire, energy, knowledge, skill, language, talking, and managing the class. These are some aspects which God had given me, and I had inherited from my teachers in school. And I remember our headmaster Sahab. I always remember him when I was in school. And I remember my teachers. And on Teachers' Day, I talked to them. Professor V.S. Malhotra, he taught us. I took over as head of the department from him as a teacher, and explained once again the role of the drag bowler. The 2007 batch, when they were departing, they said, sir, you be on the board. So I went to the board. They said, write drag bowler. I wrote the drag bowler. वो मेरे पास picture है. कहते sir, you simply say CD is equal to CD naught plus CDI. I said this and they recorded it. That was the moment. And that's I can say I have unlimited joy when I think of the past. I enjoy it, I relax, and I consider very lucky that I got very good students. And that made me rise on a platform that I got 3 awards in the country. I have now retired. अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों, जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों.